Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Finally got this lateral link off. It was a pain. It was way back in the... This part connects onto the wheel part, and this goes in behind the shock will be about here. It goes in behind the shock, and all it wanted to do was turn, so I had to get 2 wrenches to take it off. But anyway, we finally got that wheel done. But we'll go into more information on that later on in the video. Well, I got all the t-shirts sent out. So congratulations to all the winners on the t-shirts. Well, I finally got my paint in. I ordered this one first. I think this was $108. Ordered this from Automotive Touch-Up. That's out of New Orleans, Louisiana. I was waiting on this for over a month. And then I figured I better get some more clear because I only had just a little bit left. But this was a separate order than this one. But after I waited on this here for 3 or 4 weeks, then I waited on this for a couple weeks and I ordered this one. This is just this is also switchblade silver, and it's a spray on. It also has the clear in it, so this will be okay on the bumpers or something like that, or the mirrors, or. And then I couldn't get this one in either. I waited on this for a long time. Then I ordered another one. This is base coat, clear coat, and all this came in within about a week's time. So I got plenty of paint now. Yeah, we can start doing a test fit on the fender and see how it's going to fit. Now I tested this one, sprayed a little bit onto a card, and it looks like a really close match, so I got to do the same thing with the rest of them. I may not even use this, but in fact I could probably just sell it, put it on eBay and sell it if I don't use it. Okay, today we're back on the Cadillac. Got this back wheel off. This is on the driver's side. Back wheel that was tilted way out. This right here is the lateral link. And he goes back in. See that bolt back there? See that bolt back there has a little bit of blue on it. And another one way back there that's really hard to get to. They're both 13/16, and I gotta have 2 wrenches. I only have one, and I'm waiting on another one in the mail. All it wants to do is turn, so that's way back in there. So we're gonna be working on something else right now. It's starting to sprinkle, but this one here is kind of on hold now until I get a wrench. But I took that lateral link off of there. It's actually went the other way. Let's see how that'll move. So I think it's gonna be fine once I put that back on there. Okay, got the old lateral link out. It's right beside the new one, and you can see it's really bent. So it's time to get the new one put in now. It's gonna be fun, but got to get it done. This string line helps you get your rotor as close as possible. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll get you to the alignment station. Okay, I got this lateral link in, and I had to pop off that big black bar right there in the center of the picture. And when I got that popped off, I got the lateral link put in. Then I couldn't get that bar back on. So I had to wind up taking off the caliper and take off the rotor. And up under there, I had to re-drill it. Had to drill it right there. That black bar right there. I was gonna take it off and get a new one, but I took it off on this end. I couldn't get the bolt out because of the gas tank, so I had to make it work. Decided to re-drill another hole for it to line up right. Okay, with the damage done on the back of the car, it's about $350. That's for the tire, the rim, and the lateral link. All combined together is about $350 to fix that. So that was a cost that I wasn't expecting. But gotta do what you gotta do. This wheel is done. Finally.